Solving a decimal word problem using a linear equation of the form Ax plus b equals c. In your ALEKS mouse over the light green slice, Linear Equations and Inequalities, to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Solving a Decimal Word Problem using a Linear Equation of the form Ax plus b equals c. Here's an example problem. For his long-distance phone service, Jose pays a $6 monthly fee plus 8 cents per minute. Last month, Jose's long-distance bill was $13.84. For how many minutes was Jose billed? Let's click Explain. We'll first make a list of what we're given. We'll use X for the number of minutes Jose was billed. So the number of minutes Jose was billed is X. The monthly fee for the long-distance service is $6, and the cost per minute is 8 cents per minute, or written as a decimal, is 0.08. And the total of his bill is $13.84. Now we'll write an equation. Jose made X minutes of calls at 8 cents per minute. So the cost of the calls was 8 cents times X. The long-distance charges are a $6 monthly fee plus the cost of the calls. So 6 plus 8 cents a minute, or 6 plus 0.08x, equals his total bill of $13.84. And then we need to solve the equation for X to see how many minutes he was on the phone. And so we subtract 6 from both sides. And this right here, on the right side of the equation, 13.84 minus 6 is actually 7.84. And then we need to divide both sides by 0.08 to solve for X. And so what they're not showing, but it's what's going on here, is 7.84 divided by 0.08 solves the equation for X, which is 98. So Jose was billed for 98 minutes of calls last month. Let's try another one. Juan rented a truck for one day. There was a base fee of $16.99, and there was an additional charge of 72 cents for each mile driven. Juan had to pay $205.63 when he returned the truck. For how many miles did he drive the truck? Here are my notes. The base fee for renting the truck was $16.99 plus 72 cents per mile driven equals, so Juan had a bill of $205.63. And so we wanted to know how many miles did he drive the truck at 72 cents per mile, which is X. And so to solve for X, first I subtracted $16.99 from both sides of the equation and got 0.72x equals 188.64. And then divide both sides of the equation by 0.72, and X equals 262 miles. In my ALEKS screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes, 262, and click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.